Silent Stories of Emotions opens with a lonely silhouette at a rain-soaked window, and a caption says silence speaks. A figure walks an endless road under clouds as the frame lingers, and the caption declares one moment can change everything. A beam of light breaks into a dark room from the sky, turning walls to gold, as the caption murmurs every loss carries a beginning. Aged hands cradle an old letter, its texture worn and tender, while the caption lingers on memory. Sorrowful eyes watch a departing train, narrowing to a breath, and the caption hints healing through time.